Downtime, cyber risk, and compliance gaps slow business. Securafy managed IT services keep your technology secure, reliable, and ready for work. See your IT at a glance with the CSA portal. Monitor real-time backup status and track support tickets from start to resolution. Stay productive with 24/7 system monitoring and proactive support that reduces disruptions and improves overall system stability. Protect every laptop and desktop with expert endpoint management and responsive user support that keeps teams working without delays. Simplify IT with hardware lifecycle management and ISP and vendor coordination, giving you one trusted team for every technology issue. 80% first call resolution, 400 plus end users supported, 99% average CSAT rating, proven service that businesses can count on. See why clients rely on our managed IT services for responsive support, proactive management, and technology that keeps business moving. Ready for dependable IT? Contact Securafy today and discover managed IT services that reduce risk and support business growth.